So hi guys, I am Koyum. So in this video, I will show you so how to start and stop Oracle database, Oracle listener using manually and using script. Okay. So I'm inside the virtual machine. So let me show you that the Oracle database is up and running now. So by using this pf-grep grep daemon, we can see that the Oracle database is up and running. Okay. We need to ensure that how many Oracle processes in the background are running. So for that we can use the same command ps hyphen ef grep ora word count hyphen l. So by using this we can know that how many background Oracle processes are running. Okay, so now 128 are running. Let me know by if the listener is up and running or not. Okay, so now we can see that the listener is also up and running, namely listener. Okay, so as we confirm that the db and the listener both are up and running. Okay, so now let me go inside Oracle database and show you how to shut it down. Okay, so for firstly you need to ensure that open mode that in which open mode is currently in the database. So the DB is in read and write mode. Okay. Okay. So let me show you how to shut down the DB. Okay. For shutting down the DB, you need to give a command called as shutdown immediate. Okay. So if we execute this command, shutdown immediate, uh, it will first commit uh, all the SQL session which are being currently running in the database, and after committing all the sessions, all that queries which are currently running, it will shut the DB down, so it won't harm your SQL queries or anything that process is running inside background. Okay, so let me execute this command and show you what will be the result. So it is currently running. It would take time. Okay. Okay, Oracle installation is shut down. Okay, now the Oracle, okay, now the DB is currently shut down. Okay, so we need to get outside. Now we need to stop the listener. Okay, okay, the listener also shut down. So for ensuring that we have done shutdown of both the DB and listener, we need to execute this command. Yes, hyphen grep. Okay, so as you can see that we don't have any process related with the Oracle. Okay, we don't have that process. Now need to ensure that the listener is also down. Okay, we don't have any listener right now running. Okay, so we don't have any listener. We need to ensure that no Oracle process is running in background. Okay, currently there are 69. Okay, okay, there are 69. So DB and listener both are down. Okay, so in this way we can shut the DB down. Okay, we come right to how to start the DB and listener. For that we need to log in inside Oracle DB. So okay, the DB is currently shut down, so that's why this message spark up. So we need to start up the DB. For this we need to do start up. Okay, Just give this command and the database will up. Okay, now the database is open. Now need to ensure that it is really open or not. So we will give the query. I see that the open mode is previous or not. Okay. Now the DB is in read and write mode. Okay. Now exit the utility. Clear the screen. Do ps-em break. Yeah. Okay. Now you can see Oracle DB is and running. Now we need to start the listener also. Okay, listener also started. Let's confirm that it started or not. Break yes. Okay, listener is also started. Now need to see how many Oracle processes are running in the background for this. Okay. Now we have 125 Oracle processes running in the background. Okay. So previously this count was 69 and right now it's up to 125. Okay. So now we are sure that DB is up and running right now. Okay. We can also know the parameters that the DB is on. So we know that connect identifier source. We are logging as a system. The current version of the SQL Plus is 19.3. We are Oracle 19c Enterprise Edition. Okay. Okay. Now, sure. So now DB and listeners are running in the background. So make sure before shutting down the server or restarting or rebooting the server, you need to ensure that your DB and listener both are down. So in that case, we don't the DB won't get harmed, okay? And the server would get restarted or shut down smoothly. And when again you start the again you start the server, the DB also there, and you don't need to recover the DB. If anyhow you forgot to shut the DB and listen it down, and you shut down the server and restart the server. In that case, you need not most of the time, but sometimes due to failure, you need a recovery from the backups. Okay, so make sure that you should shut the DB and listener down before doing any shutdown or reboot activity of the server. Let me show you one more way to do it automatically. So we are under home directory of the Oracle user. Okay. So in this you can set the cron tab, which would do the work automatically for you whenever you restart the server. So here I have set one command there. So every at reboot, this parameter shows that on every reboot the DB would get started automatically without a manual. Okay. So you need to specify the path for the DB start shell script. Okay. It would be under Oracle home bin directory. Okay. So I have said this. So whenever I restarted the server, whenever I restarted this VM, the Oracle database automatically started. I don't have to start it manually. So this would be automatic. How can I know that the particular path for the bin directory is there? So for that, firstly I will tell you that you can edit the cron tab using cron tab E. Okay, you can edit the cron tab using cron tab hyphen E, and you can list out all the setup inside cron tab by using cron tab hyphen L. So by executing cron tab E, I can edit. I can edit. Okay, I can edit the. Now this script doesn't working right now. Okay, I need to manually start the listener. So for that, I'm just remaining the script and saving it. Installing new cron tab. Okay. Now list down what parameters you have set. Okay. So we just have one. Let me show you the bash profile. Okay. So you will get clarity what is inside the bash profile and why I'm doing this. Okay. So inside this bash folder. Okay. This bash profile out for a is for every Oracle user. Okay. So whenever you create a Oracle user, you will need to set the bash profile. Not compulsory, but for saving the time, you need to make a bash profile, and in that bash profile, you need to specify the directory and the alias for the directories. Okay. So for example, for temp directory for Oracle base, this one is important. Okay. Inside this Oracle base, you will have your Ora data is database files stored. Inside this, your fast recovery means uh, backup folder is there. You have diagnostic folder is there, and all that stuff is there inside. And also you have Oracle database software installed there. So in that scenario, you need to specify the Oracle base. Okay. So in our case, we have Oracle base as a U1 app Oracle. Okay. So inside this path, we have all this Ora data, uh, faster recovery area, diagnostic, product, anything else. So for this, we need to alias this. Okay. When you do, uh, let me show. When you do echo Oracle base, okay. When you do echo Oracle base, it will give you the same path which you have edited inside the bash profile. Okay. So this one is important. Bash base, Oracle base. Now come to the Oracle home. Okay. Oracle home is the path where your actual Oracle database software is installed. Okay. So in our case, we have Oracle home. So Oracle home. Let me echo this Oracle home, so you can know that why it was been there. So here we can see that you can okay, we have just done echo Oracle home, and we have this path. Okay. So inside this path, we have installed the Oracle database software. So inside this path, we have Oracle database software. So in this way, you can set all this parameter in uh, bash profile for each Oracle user. Okay. And in this way, you can save time and your energy. So in this way, there are certain parameters like alias Oracle SID. We have source, for SID name, SID means system identifier. Okay, so for each database you have one SID, two SID, three SIDs based on the priority. I'm using enterprise edition, so I could not have more than one database, more than one SID. So that's why I just again single SID source. SID is also instance. Okay, SID also is an alias for instance. Now come to the Oracle term. Okay, base path. Okay, this is the base path. Okay, this one is a path folder. Without this path folder, you cannot execute any kind of script like we are doing for starting the listener ls nrctl start for ls nrctl start like armon target like adrci like sql plus. Okay, so without mentioning the path and ld library path directory path, without these two we could not do the same. Okay, so be sure that you have set these two parameters, and others are like this one is also important. Okay, class path, tns admin name. Okay, tns directory. Okay, this one where we can okay, so this is the importance of bash profile. Okay, so we have discussed about shutting down the DB. Okay, so one more there is a third and one more way out there to shut the DB down. For that you can do, let me show you Oracle home. Okay, bin and db shut. Okay, so by using this command you can directly shut the DB or start the DB. Okay, what is this command? Dollar Oracle home bin db shut. In the bin directory your db shut name is shell script. It would shut and start the DB. So you can do it just by one command without going inside the SQL plus. Okay, now we can see that need to confirm that Oracle is really down or not. Okay, Oracle is down. Need to shut down the listener also. Okay, done. Now the same command you can use for starting the database. Okay, so instead of db shut we are using db start. So let me start. Okay, DB start. Let me confirm that DB is running or not. Okay, DB is start. Okay, ls nrctl. Let's start the listener also. Listener also started. Yes, we have great TNS. Okay, listener also started. Okay, so in this video, as told you that explain you that there are three ways you can start the DB using manually SQL plus. Okay, using manually SQL plus, using DB short, DB start, shell script, and other one.